Hello everyone, this is Healing Child, and today we're going to be reviewing one of the cheapest gimbals on the market. This gimbal came in around $10. You can pick it up for about $25. Let's see if the cheapest gimbal on the market packs the most punch for the money. Does it even work? Unboxing the gimbal, we can see that the package was pretty beat up when shipping, so I'm already a bit worried. This 3-axis gimbal has 4 hours runtime and joystick controls, and it seems to be relatively light. I don't know if that's a good thing. It might mean it's pretty cheap, but you know, it's $10, so I guess it is cheap. So let's see some footage. And here's a running test. Connecting to the Bluetooth was quite easy, but the app is not very good and I wouldn't recommend using it. The only use for the app is to calibrate, and I highly recommend you actually do that because it doesn't come calibrated in the box, and that's not really good for you. So the pros are, it works relatively good, unbelievable price. Cons: low weight tolerance, very difficult to put your phone into. The gimbal's short battery life compared to other brands. Now you may be thinking, I'm being way too hard on this $10 gimbal. But $10 is $10, and for $10 I can say for the money it's well worth it. Maybe not for professional work, but it can sure improve your family videos or YouTube videos if you are just using your phone. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, peace out.